So my battery's dead, so I'm just rolling downhill to find a mechanic. Update. So my bike's at the shop already, 2 days in, because the battery is dead. So now they got it on charge. Then I'll give it a jump start. Jump start wouldn't work, so yeah. So we got a dodgy wire here that won't let the bike start, but the guy's on the case. We're back on the road again, bike's all fixed, and I think a bit high and I got an oil gauge stuck on, but now we'll see how we go. Max throttle, doing about 40k an hour. Doesn't sound too healthy. Oh, yeah. Poor girl. Stay tuned. Oh, look at that. We got some racetrack tyres. People must slide off them there all the time. It's really nice and beautiful when the engine's not running, nice and quiet, you know. Also going downhill, it should get warmer too. Should get a lot warmer. Being up in the hills, about 1,500 meters elevation, or almost 5,000 feet. Yeah, it looks like it's time to turn the bike on since it's flattened out. There we go, we kickstart for her. Woo! How high was I? Oh, it's the first speed limit sign I've seen in a long time. My oil gauge just turned off too when I was pressing some buttons, so I don't know what's going on there. Bucket! Racing for the championship! Woo! Look at that, wow. I've come way down elevation now, so it's a lot warmer, taking off the rain jacket. And yeah, just taking in the fresh air. It's nice. A little bit more humid. Chickens! I've spun the camera around. So I'm not sure what the video angle is going to look like, but hopefully it's good. The views are amazing. Probably my favourite part of the ride so far. Well, there's some really nice bits along the beach there a few days ago. So we'll see. Alright, here we go. Day 5 or so, give or take. Following the beach. Nice beach, but I guess want to keep numbers down. They gotta make it cost to get out, eh? Keep it beautiful, maybe. Probably not. Woohoo! Back on the open road. Got ourselves some Harleys up there. Yeah, it's pretty stunning. All the big rocks. Beautiful coastal highway. Wow. Nice. This is the sort of riding you like. Smooth roads, beautiful scenery, nice cooler weather next to the ocean, a bit cloudy, nice. And then, you know, you turn the odd corner and whammo, you get hit with a great view. You can look out at the view because there's not much traffic, so you know you're not always fighting for your life with the rules of the road. Awesome. Still got a wee way to go. Yeah, I think I'm about halfway, about 2 hours in for today. Only doing a 4-hour day, so it should be good. Nice short day. I'll leave early tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day, 8 hours probably. It'll require a few extra stops for the old bum. Nice, that's stunning. I've been looking at the views too much and almost forgotten about petrol. So I'm getting a bit low. I'm going to have to find a place to fill up. Looks like rain up ahead. Thought I might get my first day without any rain, but a bit more highway cruising. Nice mountain in the distance. Oh, weird, look at this truck. Holy shit. Yeah, we got a neck feel the wind. Beautiful from up on the hill. There we go. Look at the heart. Speed limits in the towns and cities tend to be about 40. I've been averaging about 70. Okay, it's 5:42 a.m. My top's on backwards. I can't find my sunglasses, but we're fueled up and we're ready to go. So I'm slowly heading out of town. I'm doing a tricky part of riding today. A bit risky. See how we go. If I get a flat tire, I'll be a bit buggered. It'll be a really long day then. So here's hoping. I hope I haven't jinxed myself. And yeah, there was a red light. Anyway, it's pretty quiet this morning. I've seen other people do it, so we'll be alright, hopefully. Yeah, it's very hot still this morning, so we're going up into the mountains, getting up to about 1,200 meters. So hopefully this old girl will get up there, and then we can just idle down. See how we go. What we can do. I'll have a rest, about 2 hours in maybe, see how the bum feels, and carry on. Looks like a nice town, this one. I'm looking forward to the next place, which is Hoi An. It's supposed to be a World Heritage Site place or something like that. Yeah. Can nearly stop. road like this the whole way, and on and off and bumpy and scratchy. Yeah, it's going to take 8 to 10 hours. I've only done not even an hour yet, my bum's already sore, so. Go. Man, they're huge, massive. Very windy though, no one's around here. Man, they're big. Yeah. Just went through a small town and everyone looked a bit perplexed as to what the hell am I doing here? Which is a good feeling and maybe I am in the wrong part of town feeling. So it's good and bad. It's quite windy though, damn. Just gonna use a bit extra gas. But it feels good on the face. As long as I don't get a copper bug or a dragonfly on the face, it should be right, or a wasp. So it's just ever so slightly spitting rain. It's quite nice. But if it rains anymore, I'll have to put the jacket on. It's not really showing up on the ground or on my top, so it can't be that much. This is the good stuff. This is where you can really breathe in that fresh air, you know. I don't think I'm too high up, maybe 400 or 500 meters or sea level. So I got some extra fuel here just in case. Got the bag loaded up. And I just talked to some locals and they said that the next bit, the mountainous bit, is a bit like New Zealand. Probably more like the west coast because it's raining. So we'll see. Yeah. Should be a nice little ride. About 4 hours, 211 kilometers to the next gas station. This usually gets about 180, 190. So we'll see. No, I think he's right. It does actually remind me quite a bit of New Zealand. I did really want to experience the middle of the country because it's known as a beach, a country for beaches because it's got a lot of coastline, but really it should be known for a country of mountains. It's one of the beautiful inland mountains. Hey, the whole time too, wearing earplugs, which is always a game changer. Makes it a lot quieter on these trips, probably why I'm yelling. Oh yeah, look at this. It's like a runway. I feel like I'm on. I have to take off. Woohoo! That's as good a place as any to take the jacket off. So this is me with my rain jacket on. But the rain looks like it's mostly past, so looks like blue skies ahead of us. Woo! We'll give this time to clear up. Also, I'll do a bit of a show here for you, but my top's been inside out this whole morning, so I'm going to change it because the zip is scratching me neck. Whew. Here's my post Muay Thai fight body, which is, I haven't been eating properly or doing any exercise for the last month or two, so probably why I'm looking so skinny. Don't worry, plenty of time for working out later on, after the trip. First I gotta survive survive this Vietnam motorbike ride. Today's probably one of the more I guess risky days, yeah. Just because of the remoteness, although there's a bit of traffic. And I left early, so should be fine. What I hate a lot though is getting sunburnt, so that's why I'm constantly wearing this long shirt and these gloves and the neck gaiter. Being on this stretch of road actually makes me want to fly a plane or do some skydiving, you know. It's a pretty cool piece of road. Whew. I'll have a drink of water and I'll carry on. Peace. I'm hopeful. I think it's going to stay warm and dry. It's better to stay warm and dry up in the mountains than I'd rather be wet and colder down below, you know. Sea level, it's a lot hotter. Oh, there she goes, she's struggling. Not even halfway up, still got like 600 meters of climbing to do. Might have to push it at some points, we'll see. No, I don't think we can get that bad, but you never know. Here we are. Yep, 45k an hour, uphill. Feels good. Full speed. Bye, bye, Mr. American, bye. That's so. Well done, old chap. Love it. Bit of trees debris on the road. I actually got hit by a stick on the head, not far back. Just smashed, probably like a stick the length of my arm. Yeah, surprised me. What I was going to say was, one thing about doing 40-50k an hour is, well, you really do get to take it all in because you're going so slow, so you're just cruising, eh? Like, really taking it in. Oh, big old fellas pooping everywhere all over the road. Look at that car. Big car. Beautiful. Been a while. Oh my gosh. Traffic is, oh. Yeah. It's been the last 15. Oh, waterfall below. You can't show the video when these bikes just go past. But it's really a lot quieter than what it seems. I'm down to like less than a quarter of gas and I'm not even halfway. So. But I am going downhill more after this, so I'm hoping I can use my fuel saving techniques to bring me home, you know. Uphill to the left, downhill to the right. There we brake. My Snickers is melted. I'm eating the melted Snickers the wrong way, so I'm trying to eat the right way. Still tough. Probably should have eaten it before my fingers got covered in fuel. Oh well. As to the flood. Feels like top of the hill. That's good. Haven't checked what my extra fuel's done to the gauge though. Still got a full bottle of water there I haven't opened, so quite good to know, hot water. Chocolate's delicious, damn. The lady was like, what are you doing? I'm getting all the protein and carbs I can, lady. Kilojoules, baby, kilojoules. Didn't buy these expensive Snickers for nothing. They're little wins, you know. Make it to the top of the hill. Now I gotta get down. Goes down. I was looking at the elevation, goes down a bit and then goes up a little bit. Mostly down. A little bit up and down. So I should be able to roll it home. I'm gonna, before I take off, I'm gonna open up the seat and just turn the idle down a little bit so I'm not using quite as much fuel when I'm idling down the hill. Oh. Yeah, wrong way to do it. Nougat. I think that's what Snickers has, isn't it? Peanuts, caramel, nougat, milk chocolate. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Nougat. Anyway, that was delicious. I've got a packet of Oreos there too, but little wins, you know. I'll save that for when I get to the gas station. Cool, should turn it off. So, here's my Leatherman handy tool that is coming handy. You know, if you ever want to check out what's under the hood, this is one way to do it. Although now I'm trying to do it with one hand, which is a bit harder. Oh, didn't put that on properly, did I? I thought I did. Ah, it broke, okay. Brilliant. That's right. You know, there's my handiwork with the duct tape to seal up that air that's escaping the vacuum to the carby. You know, I've got to start it up and I'll check the idle. Quite a bit. Probably too much. No, I think it's about right. Really rev. Yeah, trying nice and low. Give it a, just turn off just a pinch. Okay, there we go. And also, if you are curious, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, well, that's good. 59,998. So close to hitting the big 6-0. Fuel is looking good. It's almost 3/4. That'll get me there to the gas station, I'm sure. Going downhill now. Yeah.